All right, so let's address the elephant in the room. Bitcoin's dip. Everyone's panicking like it's the end of the bull run. But, you know, it's not. This is just a reset, a healthy reset. And I'll be telling you why this shakeout or dip, whatever you want to call it, is actually an opportunity. Not just saying it for the sake of it, but it is actually an opportunity. So we'll be breaking it down real quick. I won't take much time of you guys. First off, if you look at the bigger picture, Bitcoin fell by 10%, right? 10-12%. But don't forget, it pumped 54% in the last 40 days. In just 40 days, it pumped over 54%. And I feel this is not actually a crash, it's consolidation, higher highs, higher lows. The structure is still bullish. The key support levels at 79K and 73K, they're solid as rock. So I don't think so. We need to worry about that. I'll just quickly show you something. Uh, yes. If you zoom out, that is how significant the dip is. So I feel you guys should actually chill out a bit. You know, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. I mean, yes, the people who are in this, bull run, in crypto is bull run, very first bull run. It's kind of tough. I know that it's kind of tough, but you need to kind of chill out. Uh, so what was next? Yesterday there was an FOMC meeting. The headlines were all over. So let's talk about the panic regarding that. Everyone freaked out after Powell's, cautious tone at the FOMC meeting. Yes, the QE, the quantitative easing, it got delayed. But the US economy is still stable. The unemployment's figure, if you look at them, they are dropping. There's no recession inside, which is actually a very good news for crypto because that would have been a problem. Uh yeah, so I mentioned QE would be coming back sooner rather than later. The Fed's already, slowing the quantitative tightening. They they have cut monthly asset sales from 60 billion to 25 billion. And with the rising US debt, it's only a matter of time before, like every time, the money printer goes brr, you know. It's just a matter of time when this all happens. Bitcoins and altcoins will again, catch up and explode. That's for sure. Uh, you guys should actually bookmark this video because when that time comes, you'll know what I was speaking right here. So, speaking of Bitcoin, we have altcoins, and yes, they're the ones who have crapped their pants, I'd say. They are the more volatile ones. While Bitcoin has dipped 10%, altcoins dropped nearly 20, 30, 35, 40%. But, altcoin dominance retraced to the golden bound zone, 300 to 320 billion. History says that it is a solid bottoming area. So, I just say don't sleep on your favorite projects. If you were like, if someone would have told you like, are you gonna buy this coin at this price? Maybe like for example, would you buy a render at $6? Yes, I would. But at this time, are people doing that? No, because that is a psychological factor that's stopping them from doing that because they see everything is red and they're not comfortable putting in the money. But later on, when everything is good again, they'll think that they missed this opportunity. Like every time, it's not just first time; it happens every time. It's a cycle. It's a repetitive cycle. You know. So I'll just say that the game plan is very simple. We just have 3 points we need to focus on. First of them is staying away from leverage. Please don't let the volatility wipe you out completely. Stay away from leverages. Use this shakeout, use this dip to stack strong projects. Like I mentioned, you have plenty of strong projects this time at a very good price to get onto. But the story would be the same old. You don't have stable coins to buy them. You never learn. You guys never learn. You should always be taking profits when things go up. You know, a small amount that matters a lot. So yes, coming back to the third point, which is the most important point, is to stay patient. Bull runs don't just go up in a straight line. They just don't go up vertically. I've said this multiple times on video, on text, that please, stay patient. It's not just always gonna be going up. Corrections like this, they're necessary. They're necessary. They fuel things up for the next leg up. And uh, when you go back, you know, when you go to 2025 Q1, you'll just see this dip as nothing happened. And right now you're panicking, you're shaking. You know, it's not that big of a deal. I know it feels like that at this moment, but please stay patient. So please follow these three things. Stay away from leverage. Use this dip to actually stack strong projects, and most importantly, stay patient. So everyone's asking, is the bull run over? Is the mega cycle? Is the super cycle over? No, this is not over. This is just a pit stop. I'd say. See, why I'm saying this, because the real fireworks have not even happened, and they are still ahead. I still believe they are still ahead, and I'll still, stick to the same plan. Just chill out, zoom out, stay calm, and trust the process. And that's all from my side. Don't forget to catch up with our crypto talk. We've been posting really good stuff. We've been rolling out great threads for you guys. We've been posting out good educational content. We've been posting out content that helps you keep calm. That's pretty much necessary at this point. So I'll just go now. Let's ride this bull market together. Stay calm, guys. Stay calm. It's not the end of the world.